All right, welcome back to the channel, The Hunting and Fishing Lifestyle. Bringing to you guys a trip that we took to Pensacola Bay. This is one of Trey's first ocean fishing adventures.
So hey guys, we're out here just idling out to Pensacola Bay. We're gonna do a little bit of fishing, mainly targeting redfish and any other game fish we can catch, and stay tuned and I'll update you later. So hey guys, we just pulled up to the first fishing spot and apparently we got a dolphin visitor. It is a very brave dolphin.
We were greeted by some dolphins out at our first spot. As soon as we dropped down, we started catching some snapper.
It's right there.
I saw him.
Can I have a picture with him?
Yeah.
Dad, just hold him by the gills.
I'll put this in his mouth for you. Their gills are really sharp on these.
With these dolphins around, it's kind of a race to get it to the boat. See who gets to eat the fish, us or the dolphins.
Oh. Oh. Get in the boat! Don't eat my fish.
That must be the good dolphin. He waits till it comes down.
He is.
We're here in the Pensacola Bay. We just caught a couple red snapper. Still have dolphins jumping all around us, and I think they're stalking us, but let's go to the next spot.
Got him?
Yeah.
Hold him up. Alright.
Catfish.
You know the state record on this type of catfish is only like 3.5 pounds.
Someone's biting the heck out of him.
Trey's just 9 in this video, but he's having an absolute blast. Your kids will love you for getting them outdoors. You'll create memories that will last a lifetime.
At the soapfish again.
It may be a sign for him that he needs a shower.
That is, look at all those teeth. That is super cool.
Right after Trey caught that soapfish, I caught this crazy looking fish. I'm still not real sure what it is. Couldn't quite figure it out, but it had teeth like a human. People on the East Coast eat on them. They have to boil them though because they have toxins in the skin. Let's throw him back in.
You can. You don't want to. Some people on the East Coast eat them. Yeah, they have to boil them for their toxins.
Look at him.
They're coming straight at us now.
That's gorgeous.
Oh, they just spotted one.
Trey outdoors.
We decided to head over to a third spot and give it a try. On the way over, we spotted this huge pod of dolphins.
Did you see it roll underwater?
Such an incredible experience to see these dolphins in the wild for not only our 9-year-old,
That is amazing.
but for me and Beth as well. We've never seen anything like this.
I've never in my life seen anything like that.
They would literally come right up to the boat. You could reach over the boat and touch them as they swam by. At one point, one of them came up and took a breath and blew water all over Trey. Our captain was extremely careful though. As we had the outboard engine going, we were just idling. He made sure to pay close attention so that we didn't harm any of the dolphins.
That's so cool. Oh, he's swimming.
They would follow right along the boat, going under the boat, and they would do rolls and flips and everything else. It was so neat to have them that close.
Are they keeping up? There's one surfing the waves. Look at him.
We finally got kind of clear to the dolphins and sped the boat up. And if you'll notice in the background, you can actually see them jumping and surfing the waves. Really, really cool. The Pensacola Bay was absolutely full of dolphins this day. We got clear to that one pod, and as we were continuing to go to our third spot, we ran across another pod of dolphins. Are they pushing bait or are they just...
No, I think they're just moving. I was thinking that when I saw the birds, I was thinking maybe it was Bonita. Well, I just saw a bait going there. I'll know when we start marking here in a second.
The Bonita fight pretty good.
They do. That's what I was hoping it was.
These are big jellyfish.
Trey.
That is the coolest thing in the world. They coming to see you, buddy? Mm-hmm. Put your hand out there.
You can hear their echo and stuff. Can you hear them, Mom? I can.
We stopped at this pod of dolphins and kind of let them swim around and got to watch them for a little bit. As they would get close, you could actually hear them communicating with each other with their squeaks and groans, and sounds kind of like an old screen door and a little whistle involved. Pretty neat. We're going to try to get some GoPro footage.
Can you hear them? Hey, a little squeaking sound.
Here comes some more of the pod.
Yeah, those are my favorite. I don't ever see those often though. Maybe once every other month.
Really?
I'm going to hold it underwater, let you guys really hear how they communicate.
I got a triggerfish here, guys. To be honest, it kicked my butt. And
Can I push this trigger down?
yeah, if you notice something, it won't push down.
He's
No.
mad.
Go to the. Now
Aye.
push the second trigger. Push the second trigger.
He'll get me.
No, you won't push the second trigger. It goes down.
Oh. Huh?
I'm gonna
Let him go.
we got a problem.
He's good.
Turns out that red snapper that we saw was different.
Did you have one on too?
Yeah.
We all three. You're getting some bigger ones. Ow. Get me.
While we're here at our third stop, we caught some more snapper. It was an absolute great day of fishing in Pensacola Bay. Lots of great fish, lots of neat experiences with the dolphins, incredible memories that we've built as our family. Check your regulations for what season is open, what the size limit is, and how many you can keep. Don't abuse the fishery. Make sure you keep what you eat and enjoy the day.
A little bigger.
The morning was a little bit cool, but the afternoon headed back in. The water was flat and had a beautiful boat ride back to the marina.
He thinks you got it.
Be like those.
Stop bit my hand.
You act like you had a fish.
What?
I'm not sure for our captain which one was more of a challenge, cleaning all of our fish or fighting off the pelicans. The pelicans greeted us when we got back, and they would take the fish carcasses and enjoy. Thanks all you guys for watching our trip to Florida with our 9-year-old. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, like it, and stay tuned for some more videos. The hunting and fishing lifestyle. See you guys soon.
Mine. 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 I bet those chompers would hurt.
There's one that sits on Pensacola Pier a lot, and if you're out there fishing and you leave your bag open, it'll start digging through your bag.
Are you serious? Is that the one we saw the other day that was sitting there?
Man.
On Pensacola Bay.
I bet that was him. He sits there like just by himself.
Did they get our snapper?
They tried.
They don't usually get that bad.
It's early season.
Yeah,
You know what I was thinking?
I'm waiting for one to get in the boat.
They're trying.